let us love like you. Lord, you breathed on dust and called us yours, pulled us from the shadows into light. You wrote your name across our hearts, and now we live to bring you delight. We lift our hands because you're worthy. We lift our voices 'cause you're true. Every heartbeat is our offering, Lord. We love you. We love you. Open our hearts and let us love like you. Teach us the ways that are faithful and true. You loved us first, now we follow your lead. Pour out your love through everything we do. Open our hearts, let us love like you. You loved us with a cross-shaped mercy, with a grace no measure can contain. You carried every weight we buried. You healed our deepest hidden pain. Your love is patient, kind, unending, a river that will never run dry. You call us children, chosen, holy, held in the everlasting Christ. Open our hearts, let us love like you. Teach us the ways that are faithful and true. You loved us first, now we follow your lead. Pour out your love through everything we do. Open our hearts, let us love like you. Make us one, Lord, as you are one. Let your spirit bind our hearts in peace. Let forgiveness flow like living water. Let compassion rise and never cease. Let us carry one another's burdens. Let us honor every soul you choose. Let the world see Jesus in our unity, a love that looks like you. Open our hearts, let us love like you. Shape every word, every step, every truth. Your love within us is the light we release. Make us a family that lives out your truth. Open our hearts, let us love like you. Open our hearts, let us love like you.